Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tuner report for Rob in Tennessee on the Ranger X9. Rob, I got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tuning alignment and the voltage regulator upgrade. We got this fancy dancy stand we're going to send to you as well, so you can show off this piece, or if you had an amplifier you can throw it on there too. Got a nice opening in the bottom. Now let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug, 2 watts all the way down. Now that's just so if you want to run an amplifier you got full adjustability. Roll it all the way up. 100 watt slug, 30 watts. Show you average power swing. Low 70 bird. What's that mean? 250 watt scale PEP. Hello 1 2 1 2. Hello 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 hello. A good 165 watts PEP. Rob, get it ready to go for you. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Boom, boom.